And Grandma are going to do some gardening. Oh, what are you guys planting?
Tell Mom, what are we going to plant? When you say cilantro, look at Mom. Cilantro.
Okay.
This is basil. Tell Mom basil.
Basil?
This is rosemary. Look at Mom and say rosemary.
Rosemary.
Oh, good.
And this is thyme. Look at Mom and say thyme. Say thyme.
What is, okay.
Okay, which one should we do first? Let's do
Stella's
the
got
big
her
one.
gloves
Should
and
we do
her
the
shovel.
Big one first. We gotta dig a hole. Dig.
You help Graham dig?
Here, use your shovel. Dig a hole. Good job. And make a big hole. Keep digging. Keep digging. Oh, good job. Dig a little bit more.
Great digging, Stella.
Good job. Okay, let's put it in here. Now it go like this. And do that. Do that with your glove. Good
Nice job.
Okay. That's okay. That's, can you say cilantro? Okay, what should we do next? You want to use grams? Okay, here. How about dig right there? Move over and dig there. We're going to plant some thyme. Should we say thyme? This is thyme. We're going to plant this one there. Where's your shovel? Where's yours? Okay. Should we dig? Let's dig. We got to dig a hole first, okay?
Are you going to help dig? Ooh, you got the big shovel.
Good job.
The big one.
Yeah. Good job. Ooh, there's a little sun here. Okay, we'll take it out of this pot.
What are you planting, Stella?
You say thyme.
Thyme. Yum.
Okay. Like this. And we'll go like that. Go like that. Can you do that? This one there. Dirt there. Good job. Yeah, grams are dirty too. Do that. Let's do this one over here. This is going to be rosemary.
What's that?
Rosemary. That's basil. Should we put the basil there?
Does the basil smell good?
Can you smell it?
A pivot.
Oh, I think here is better. Okay, let's take this out. We don't need this. Does that come off? Okay, you need to dig a hole. Remember, you dig a hole first. Dig, dig, dig. Okay, you want to put it in there?
Good job, Stella.
Okay.
That's dirty.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Planting is dirty. You're playing in the dirt when you're
There.
planting.
There. Now we have. Okay, let's dig a hole. Dig a hole. Good job. You dig the hole. Good.
Wow, good digging, Stella.
Make a pile. Okay, now we'll take this out of here. This
Did you smell it?
Did you smell this?
Mm.
Ooh, did you smell it? Did it tickle your nose? That's actually from last year. I dug up some and kept it all winter long in the kitchen.
Wow.
Okay, put some right there. Put some dirt there. And then go like that.
Good planting, Stella.
That's
help her. Now, you know what? They need a drink. We gotta.
Stella's a beginning gardener. Oh, you're really good at digging that out. Okay, now you gotta pat it down. There you go. Good job.